Hi YouTubers, so today I have these cubes and I have this package and for the 100th subscriber I will give one of these to you and in a comment down below you can put your address, and then as soon as I copy the address down on the paper to give the addresses down, I will delete it. So I'm gonna open the package. So make sure all these are down. And Mom, I think, can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think I actually got some open. I got it open. So I'm gonna drop it. 5 mini Rubik's Cubes. Wait a second. Oh, they do come with chains. And it's not a sponsor, but it is from Sane. And there's a QR code on the back if you want to scan it.
Show the front.
So these are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this cube I'm gonna toss over here because this is gonna be the donation cube. And some of these cubes I'm gonna give to some friends. So I'm gonna open this cube. Oh yeah. Let's see it. It turns. It turns good. I can make a checkerboard. I made a checkerboard on it. It's a little rough turning, but it turns pretty good. And sometimes there's a little lockups. It's almost the size. I feel like it's almost the size of one cubie on a 2x2. And this is not the smallest cube. There's smaller cubes than that. And it's in fact, and some cubes are even smaller than one cubie of a 3x3. Okay, I don't know if this thing can corner cut. No. Oh, I know what tricks I can do with this. And it actually works, this trick. And sometimes the cube locks up, so you need to be careful with it or else it will break. I did it. I think I can solve this. And it's actually solvable. Okay, so oh, I see. I can do this. Yeah. And yeah. And then it's a cube. And then these are for my friends. And then the one all the way over there is the one that I'm gonna donate for the 100th subscriber. What? This thing has springs, kind of.
Nice.
I feel like some of the spots have holes right here. Oh, this green one does. This one right here. I'm gonna do this so I can check. Bye YouTubers, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button and the bell button. Bye.